Hi, I'm Filipina Bisaya Netherlands. Whenever you put God first in your life, everything will follow. As what Dr.Morris Cerullo said, God will make demands on you. You just feel it. Your prayer life will be changed. Your outlooks in life will be changed. You will never think of yourself, but only to please God, how to please Him. As you know that Dr. Morris Cerullo is a mighty man of God. He is an evangelist and he just died. So I will show you the clips he's preaching, one of his preaching.
Ever you put God first in your life, the kitchen dishes may stack up. Don't get mad at me, Mama. The TV will take second place. Recreation will take second and third place. You will be concentrating so much on those things that you like to do in the natural world. When you begin to put God first in your life, you'll find out that God will make demands on you that will take almost every bit of your time and energy, because He's a jealous God.